Okay, hello. In this video, we are going to learn about the JavaScript fundamental. So let I create the new folder. This one. So I open VS Code. So it's come up there. Name this one .html. Inside there, exclamation. Help you to put output inside the body. Inside the body, I put JavaScript fundamental. JavaScript JavaScript fundamental fundamental JavaScript fundamental. Let I create one paragraph. ID would be my ID. Okay, for empty paragraph. Okay, we hit save and open with the live server. It's coming there. When we press F12, some people should use function F12. This will become the console in the browser. Okay, it's not the big problem. Inside the document, document get element by ID. Get element by ID. It would be my ID. Dot inner HTML. Save. I should type a row. Hit save. So when we type like this in our browser, it's coming. So the error is gone. We already used the ID. So we can type in JavaScript to the HTML. This one and this one, they are linked together. And another way, we can create the JavaScript.js. To see, we comment this one, comment this out. I will also show comment in a few minutes. So this will link JavaScript together. So script script. So it's ./JavaScript folder. Now it's linked together. So I paste on there. Save this one. Save this one. This we already comment. It will not appear. Now it's coming from there, from the JavaScript file. So it's work the same thing. We can change there whatever we want. In another way, we change this one file. But we can calculate to S. Save, we get 11. So in JavaScript it can do many things. We output like this one. We have to write many code. So it will go here and there, go here and there. So I comment this one and another one. Okay, this one we save and this one we comment out. We open this one. It's working. So this line I comment and another line. We can document write. write document write. What hello Steven Steven Steven. Save. So it would work the same thing. In this one we call the ID, so it will put in this paragraph. This one document.write is will put the under the JavaScript fundamental. So I comment this one. And another one we output. Why I type like this, I will show you later on. hello Steven, hello Steven again for the alert. So it will come up here. When we reload, it will alert. Okay, for this window. And another one, we use console, console console.log. This one, this again, we type hello console, hello console console, save. So now it's come up there, console. Now we are going to start our JavaScript phenomena. It's just for the phenomena. It's just like that we learn English, like a start from ABC to the meaning words only. So I close the JavaScript we use it. Okay, it's not linked to it. It's why not linked into our output HTML. So I create HTML. So we you can also use this file. I want to create a new one, so I create a new one. This for the phenomena. The phenomena JavaScript. Inside there, phenomena JavaScript learning. So we link our JavaScript file as script column src is linked to JavaScript doc/ in the same folder JavaScript. Hit save. They are linked together for these two files. I close this. I will use this one. So now we open the new live server because we change the folder. This output file. This is for the JavaScript phenomena landing file. So try for me. In your keyboard is someone will need to the function. So I function F12 for the console and click in the console. Okay, we'll be more bigger. This tab is output. Okay, I will output on the bottom. This is our console where we out there. This is not need. In JavaScript, I will start from the command. I used to command, but I talk to nothing. So I use the command command command. When we command like this one, control / one by one line command. If you don't want to hit control / you can type / 2 times. Okay, this is for one line command. It was not working. With the with anyone else. Is where we comment out. One line command already finished. We go to multi-line command. Java st and AMI name st vn Java last name and AMI name is equal to MIT Smith. This one should it's just only single quote. It will be auto fix. Don't worry. AGE8 is it. Now I got the 22. Okay. We hit save. Is auto pick, auto semicolon. If I start building the project, I remove the semicolon because it's looking very confused, and sometimes we forget to put it. It will be problem. But this one we start learning, so I put the semicolon. So multi-line command now. If we select like this, select all and command is will be one line command. So if you don't want to put like this, you can come and select and type like this one, time symbol and select. So it will be also the command. Copy out and this one and this one, they are work the same. So you can choose whatever you want. So now we start in our JavaScript. Now fundamental, we start from variable. So I comment this one for the title is looking nicely. Variable. So var a is equal to 1, var b is equal to 2, var c a b. So now we console and sole console.log console.log, we console log c save, and we are going to look back. Our console is will become 3 because there a1 b2, so is a and b is c, so 1 plus 2 is maybe 3, is going to be 3. And change this one to be 10. We hit save. So now it's 12. So 10 and 2, 10 plus 2 is 12. So I comment this one. So when we use the control is make our code go firstly. So I go to build the console. Later on we will have the project, so we can subscribe and hit the bell. When we build the project, I will type in JavaScript to the output in the real places in the HTML, in the HTML folder. So now we just console out only. This for the meaning, for use the meaning. Like we learn English ABC to meaning only for this code. It's necessary to understand, so I talking about it too much. We are as the first name, first name. Okay, I'm going to type out. Okay, I will copy this one and copy this one and paste and hit like this one, and we can type full name, new variable, it will be tag. So we assign it, this will be first name, FRIST, first name plus space. If we not put space, it will close together, so we put space, that name and space and plus is. Later on we don't need to type out like this long sentence, so it will have short form. So I will show you later on. Is H. So to save this one, we not yet console. We should console CLG hit enter. So we print we console tag this one. We sign the new one. So we're going to look the console, it crash error. Reference error is not defined. This one should be it's not we not assign this one, not assign it, so it should be string. Those set should be inside the string. Also hit save, and now it's working. Steven Smith is 22. So when why I create the first name, last name, so we can reassign it in our variable. So variable, we assign like this one again. FRIST first name is equal to JHON John. When we hit save, so we assign this one. So we already we assign this again. So now we come to John Smith is 22. John Smith, not Steven Smith. So it will take the last one, the last we assign it. This for variable. So I comment this. This is the old version using for the variable. So in JavaScript is divide less and count. So it's similar to variable, but it's not they are not the same. So I comment this one. Command let inside the let we can assign like this. YST first name is equal to, again comes Steven Smith. So we copy this one, we put it and keep it the comment out. So D when we select one word and we want to cut the same, we hit Ctrl D. So they will change the same time. So let. Now we going to start about the let. Copy this one and put there. Out of the command, this will be let. Save again, and Steven Smith is, now we assign this to Steven Smith. So as Steven Smith is 22. So in our let, we don't want to assign there. We let FIRST first and AM name. So we assign like this one. Is also working. We can assign first and we type the name, first name. So this copy John Smith, first name John Smith. Now we no need to let again. So it's already assigned. So we keep out the let and var. So we assign it and did it John Smith. So it means the first name already assigned in this one already defined. So now we are going to const var let const. They are working similarly, but they are not the same. Is how they are different. I will show you later on in the scope. So maybe at the end of this video. Control and V. Control C. Control V. And let out the command. So we change the let const const F. This one this time. So this work the same. Steven Smith is 22. But in the con we should assign like this one, and we go to assign like the let, and let can reassign but con cannot reassign. So get the error. So we cannot do like the let. We cannot assign and reassign reuse again. So we should put together like the const con and keep this one out. And con cannot reassign. So con first first name. Now we put not John. Now we put this Sarah is the name. When we save this one, it also get the error. Identifier first name had already been declared. So it means our first name already declared. We cannot declare again. But in the var and less is no problem. We can reassign. We can declare again. But con cannot declare again. So it's the different, one of the different. So if we want to use this Sarah, so we should comment this one out and hit save. Sarah Smith is 22. For the var let con, you already understand. So I comment there and go to the operator. Is JavaScript like the mathematics? From I'm thinking is this is equation sign. It means y. If we put like this, x and y equal, so it's x and y equal. So if we put plus equal, so okay, I will type in the console for you understanding. We put let, so if we can reassign x again, x is equal to 7, y, let y is equal to pi, and clg plus x is equal no, because this it cannot mean they are the same. So equal sign you already understand should be equal value. So we put like this, y is equal to x. So with one way console y, so 7 is mean y is the same of x, the same value of x. So x is 7, so y is also 7. So we comment this one and let's again we assign y is equal to 5, and we assign this x plus equal to 1. So we console.log x. So we hit save. It's also got detail. So it means x, this x we assign x is 7, but this x is assigned again. So because of comment this one, x is equal to x plus y. So if we don't want to put like this, x is equal to x plus y, so we can put x plus equal to y. It means we reassign x again. So if we don't put this and console out, it will get this 7. That's why. Okay, trying to understand. And another one. Another one is x reassign. This one is minus equal to y. So we console.log this x. So we get 2. So 7 minus 5 is 2. You can try so I will not go all. You can try multiply, divided percentage and into, so you can try. So going to try this one. So I comment this out. I will keep going. Another sign. It's not only for the number, so it's using for the tag also. Let t active tag is equal to, this is for the string, hello spacebar, and let's first name again we assign tag plus equal to Stephen Smith at TVEN Stephen SMITX Smith. So console log this one, this tag CLG TEAT tag to add save hello Stephen Smith is got it. So if we comment this one, we only log the tag, so not save again. We got the hello. So we put this to let this cannot put. So you understand, plus equal is mean they are put together and reassign the value of tag again. I'll comment this one. It's a little bit confusing in JavaScript. So if you're good at mathematics, it's not the big problem. The assign and copy and put show in there. So it have equal to the value equal to the type. One we put the equal, but in our JavaScript not only one equal. It mean we assign it double equal for the value equal to. For the triple equal is equal value and equal type. Later on I will show about the equal value and equal type. So now I just give the intro. It is mean not equal. It is not equal to the value or not equal to the type. So this one greater than, this one less than, this one greater than equal, this one less than equal, this one. So ternary operator. So ternary operator is mean L. We already learn we not yet learn about the if L statement. So it's very used like a if L statement. Then like a one, this one TAE, and then like this one. So we will see in the later on this one and for this, for the or, for this one, for the not. Okay, trying to understand. Now we are going to a limit. For the limit is plus is addition, minus is subtraction, multiplication, exponentiation, division, and division, and modular, increment, decrement. Mostly we will use this one and this one and this one. So later on you will see it. So we're going to create some of the example. Let x is equal to 3. I will use for this one, this 2-line example. So we will use later on very much. So this one we're trying to understand. It's not the big difficult. A1 x plus CLG x is one we mean less x is equal to 3, so we comment this first. So out 3 is we will get 3. Increment, so increasing x plus plus, so when we assign again x for the x flat plus plus is will be when we log the x. Control save and we get the 4. It means increment. Comment this out and x is equal to minus minus. Control save is equal to 2 because it's decrement by from the 3. So when we assign when we assign again, we hit save. Sorry, just got the 1. This from x is equal to 3. 3 minus 1 for the line. 2 minus 1. 1 minus 1. Now x will be, when we save, x will be the 0. So trying to understand. Now we are going to look at the data type. Data type. Let x is equal to 3. So clg console.log. Now we want to get the data type, so type of typ type of x to save. Now the number, because we put this one for the number, so it's log the number. So we comment this one and we assign another value. So now we Steven to s. So when we type the text, so we should put in the single quote or double quote. If you use double quotes, put in double quote. I use single quote and put in single quote. So when we save and log, so it means string descendant. And comment this one. Another data type is equal to truth. Truth or false. True or false is receive. It means to one boolean. The data type is also useful. So if you understood now is the great thing. And is equal to and you none. None is a mean object. The value of none is a 0. In our JavaScript, name is not a number. It's not mean it's only the number. Is also for the object. The data type will be the object when we log data type. But the value of this one is mean 0. So x is equal to first and AME name STEVEN Steven LAS that and AME name. That name is equal to SMITXMIT. When we hit save, log off this one, it will be also the object. So it's object string, so it's object. Comment and our tag is small. Sorry, I just change now. Forgot it. So now we put the sum of the fruit mango apple comma banana. Data type of this one we call array string, but when we log the data type, it also object. Okay, now this is for the data type. I think you understand. If you not understand, you try to watch my video from the var. You can go to C again, var let con and a little bit operator data type. So now this section I close like this one. This one. Okay. Hit enter. Under this one, the next I will go. Now I go to stream. Big tag there. So string and g string. Put at. No matter put or not put is we already comment is not will be not a fact. const const tag st and just string typ type string te tab is no matter. So when we clg console log text tag, the value of tag is come out string tag. We can also show you like this one. Tell I do AETH value but is did not van mean I or we love value. Okay, when we hit save and type it's working. When we use this one, we can type whatever we want to type inside this one. It will print out. I comment this one out and then st con x, we use con x is equal to 3 st con. Okay, it's enough. clg console log x. When we type of this one type of x, we got the number. Also know we will get the number, but I want to show you we can change it to be string. When we put code inside there, it will be string. So if we don't want to put inside there, we can raise save. It's also print out string. We can not only like this one, we can use the, like this behind, and we should put dot and save it. It will print out string. The number, we change the number to be the string. Okay, I hope you got it. So now we introduction about the string. Now we're going to look at the string method. string string method ds method slash const con text tag is equal to tvn Stephen smith Smith is 22. Now we go to look back string method len method length len. Len stat count length len t stat show unt count about from 1. Why I put this you will be understand later on. So CLG tag dot len. So when we hit save, we got 17. Why? Why len is 17? So we count from the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So our string have 17, so it print out 17. So this is for the len. Now I comment this one. I will reuse this con assign, so I will not comment that one. Now slide li this slide. Now we are going to see the slide. So clg tag tag dot see slide from the number 6. So we hit save. Console log is where I got this submit is 12. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 group, and the left one is going to submit the print out 1. So comment it out and clg console another method. So tag dot now I see slide. That is 6, 11. Save 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We keep it out and we take from this one 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We take to the 8, add to the 8. So we got the submit. Make sure you understand this is the starting point, this is the ending point. And another way, you can clg console log text tag dot slic slide -1. So the minus number is count from the behind. So -1 is will be sorry. I forgot T. Save. Yes, it's got only 2. Only this one. The minus is count from the end of the tag and come to the front. So when we put 11, 1, 2, 3 is including speed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So start from the 11. So it will count from there to this one. When we save it and submit, start from the S. And it's what the same thing. clg console log. This will comment this one. It look like the above. It have ending point, starting point, and ending point. At lic slide -11 to ending point 1, 2, 3, 4. So when we hit 4, so it will end the and save. Oh, what happened? Oh, sorry, it's and to the number 4. It's not number 4, should be minus at this one and the end. 1 2 3. So I just need to put this 3. Save, submit it. So you trying to understand. Okay, we go another one. This will be substring. Substring. We use this con. Okay. CNST. No. CLG. One we rock is very fast, so I use this one. You can use another output as I said before. You can bring in inner HTML, no matter. So substring is we have starting point. Starting point is 7, and this 5 word. So for this one is have the starting point TER, starting point and continuous and UMP continuous number. Make sure this one starting for this slide starting point and ending point. This one will be starting point and continuous number. So it's different from the substring and slide. We should put 6 only with slide from the some of the in our JavaScript, some of the start from count from the 0, some of the count from the 1. So make sure is you trying to understand. One we put 6, so it's I think it's count from the 0, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So it's that number 6 to 5 word. 1 2 3 4 5. So we got this mid. This is continuous number. This is starting point. This start from 0. This start from start 0. 0 number, 0 in depth. So make sure you try to understand. JavaScript little bit confusing. So, but it's necessary because it's working in the action. So you should learn. CLG TEXT dot SUBSTR substring 7 or 6. When we save, we just put the starting point, so it will print out. Now this is for okay. When we save, it submits is 22 because we didn't put continuous number, so it will continuous all the letters start from the number 6 to the end. And another one, we can count from the behind CLG TEXT dot SUB substring minus 11 to S save 1. If minus, it will start from the 1. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. So it's also print out submit is 22. So 1 minus 1 is put the minus is count from the number 1. So it's a little bit confusing if you newly from the JavaScript. So make sure you try to understand. replace. We comment this one out and we use another tag string tag is equal to TEVN Stevens SMIT Steven Smith is 22 TEVN Steven live in London. Let's save CLG so TRING string tag dot replace and for the Steven place we want to put JOX and John. When we save it will print out John Smith. Because we put Stephen Smith and to the John. We put John to the Stephen Smith. So it will also have Stephen Smith the last, but it will not take. Because if we put like this only, it will take the first number. If you want to put all, so copy this down and this one comment out and put behind this Stephen. We put global and save. So it's not working. We put in this string, it's not working. So we should leave this out and select like this. Have two select. So now John Smith, John. So whatever we want to put place of Stephen Smith to the John. If this is for the uppercase, like us at TEVN Stephen Smith as save is not working because this is all uppercase. This is only one uppercase and lowercase. So you can put instance div. So and now it's working. Whatever you want to type, JO, that this one is well placed to the Stephen places. Because we use the instance div, what no matter is lowercase or uppercase. So this is for the global. Whatever we have the Stephen, it will put. So make sure you understand it. Global and instance div. I think you already understand the replace, how to put the global, how to put the instance div, lowercase and uppercase. So now we should go to the see what is uppercase, what is lowercase. To upper CSE uppercase CLG print out a TRING string tag dot to uppercase, and we should put parentheses and save all the letter in string tag will be uppercase. So it's upper, this is lower, this is upper. So all are they will put in the uppercase. So command this one. Now we go to look back lowercase to OWL lower CSE CLG TRING string tag dot to to lowercase and save. Now all are lowercase. The original tag as is uppercase, as if uppercase. This one is also uppercase. Now it's all they are all lowercase, the whole sentence. So this is uppercase, how to make uppercase. This is how to make lowercase. In the string we have the concat, is similar the operator plus equal. Concat also useful, and am in name, full name is equal to TV and Steven as MIT Smith, and st con te active tag is equal to AIRYOU. Okay, this is we assign full name Steven Smith and the tag are you okay. So we console out clg full and am in name dot cat concat. We should put comma because this is the space between Steven and are you okay. This one where we come in the ext tag. So when we hit save, it means Steven Smith are you okay. Inside there we also can put comma because it's in the string tag. This is the come from there. This come from there. We concat is concat put together. When we hit save, so our comma is also included. Steven Smith are you okay. Now we comment this one. We go to concat finish trim, trim con text tag. Trim is how it works when we put like this, and at we and Steven MIT Smith and put like this one and print out console out. If we print like this one, is we included in all the string tag. So we can use, we should whatever we have the space bar, it will take one time. So this is to .trim to save. For the trim is work like the outside places only, not work in the inside. To s the behind is also not have, the starting point is also not have for the trim. If you put inside this one, it will working. It will not affect to the trim. Trim will not affect. Sorry. Okay. Now we finish trim. We go to the padding. PAT pad stat at TART stat and PAT pad ENDN cont and st con active tag. See, we use 3 to be the tag or tag. So it's a string object. This is the string, is not a number. The data type clg text tag dot pad at start and 4,0 print out start. We put this one to be 5 to save. it should have 4 digits, and this is the value of let of the tree, so it should have 4 digits. One we put 7 digits, so it will print out 7 digits. We already assigned one number, so it's for the full need to have 7 digits, so it put 6 digits of 5. Make sure you understand. This is for the stat, so it's put in the front. So we also have the and clg tag.pa pad and digit. Now we put 5 digits only to add, which have one number already. We have one number already, so we put 4 more for 5 digits. This for the pad and command. So string method is and up there, so we go to string searching searching string string. I copy one sentence, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, we got the tag, our tag. We not assign anywhere, so it's okay. clg the tag dot index of Steven. Steven. When we save, it will be index 0 because it take the first number. So 0, 1, 2, 3, so on. It's start index. If it's index, it will start from the 0. So last index of clg. If we put only index of, so it will take the first number. Now we have last last index of the same number. Steven. Hit save. So it got the 20 because it take from this Steven. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20. So start take from this one, 20. Also have the similar index. It have the charge clg tag dot char charge add. We put number 3. We got the v because index 0, 1, 2, 3 were v, so it's print out v. And another one, global clg tag dot match match with /ve global save. We have it will print the array whatever we have ve, but the uppercase is not take, it just take from the lowercase because we put this lowercase. Comment this out. One we put uppercase only ve, so it will take ve only one. Okay, if we want to take all no matter lowercase and uppercase, we should put like before and insensitive, and it will take lowercase and uppercase. It means insensitive. We also have included the active tag dot include as included that included ev to accept true. This sentence have ev is true. Comma this down. And what this line is not including G, so it's including G. It's print out port. Okay, we comment this out, save, and now we go to see the template string. TIG string TEMPLAT string template. Put this one and console log CLG detect, save. So it will bring this sentence when we put inside this one, but in this assign we can keep it down, get down, and keep it down, also keep it down. So when we print out, it will print the same thing that we have done. This template can use. We go to see more. Name is equal to TEVEN Steven. Name is equal to SMI anti Smith Steven ST con T tag contact. So we put this one. My view full name is, we can assign like this one and use FIST first name and spacebar and LES last name. When we save it, CLG my full name is Steven Smith. Before in previous JavaScript cannot type like this, it not have this assign, so it just have only the single code. They have to type like this. stcon t active tab my full name is it plus first name plus last name. So it works the same thing. So if we need space, and we should put like this. So it works the same thing, but this sentence, if we have many sentences, it will be very long and confusing, and should have to keep pushing spacebar. So I like this sentence, the new making sentence, the update sentence. So I like it. Mostly I use this one. It's not only in there. Okay, I will show you more sentence for the number 0 and STPN fan 3 0 and STCon 3 plan PIC flight $10. So CUNST control TL to the PIC price is equal to TL to the PIC price. We can put this, and inside this one we can multiply PIC price. Save as. We need console log TOTAL to the PIC price. Save to the price 30. Okay, we should put column it's logging. So as I said the before sentence, comment this one. CUNST control TL to the price is equal to TL to the PIC price plus is equal to PN fan multiply PIC price. Sorry, this is application. For the same thing. Whatever you want to what way you want to choose, you can choose. So I comment this all. So now I close it. This sentence, this string. Okay, save it. Now we come to the number method, and you mpn number as number method. Come this to fix CUNST con b is equal to a dot 19.8765. Okay, it's enough number. So CLG B, we assign it B to FIX defect is equal to 0. Okay, before we print this out, we print this one, CLG B. If you print this one, it will print all. So when we print to fix 0, it's why 20, because we will not put to fix, so it will be rounded because it's over 5. So it's rounded to 9. It's 20. It can be rounded. Rounded CLG B dot to fix to fix 1. So when we fit to fix 1 is the last sentence. Sorry, what should D is take from 8 to fix 1 is this over 7. So we change this number, these two number will be 4. Okay, save it. And we put to pick 3. Okay, 3, 7. We will get 4 because this is not over 5, so cannot round it. It just stay 4 value. So when we can see G P dot to FIX fix 10 volt. So and behind the decimal is have to have 10 word 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's not full of 10. It should have 0. Comment this one. This one will be 2 PRECISION precision driven STCon C precision C is equal to 1 9 again, make 7 4 4 again. Okay, no matter. CLG also log C dot true is equal to save. Yes, log, nothing happened. If we put 3 inside this one, it will take 3 number only. Precision is take the number. If we put 5 number, it will print out 5 number. It's different from two-fig. Two-fig count from count behind decimal, but precision is count all number. It have 5. When we put it to 10 word 10 number, so it have to be 10. 1 2 3 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, make sure you understand. Now we go to the value of value of to comma this one to v. This one change to D. CLG D dot ALUE value of save is the same thing is print off. Copy down 100 to add save. It print 100 and 1 plus 23 save as is print out 24. Okay, it will print out the value of. So we now is the value of already done. We look at the number who are good at mathematics is not a big problem. So I copy this document and paste in there for your looking. I take from W3 school. So this one, the truth in our machine learning or in JavaScript, truth will be 1, false will be 0, 10 is 10. Okay, I'll log out this one. So it's log like this return one. When we put this space, it's not a fact. It will take 10. Space behind is also take 10. Front space, back space is take 10. So if we put like this, including decimal, it will print out decimal. So if we put this comma inside, so we not have in our number, we not have comma inside, so it will be none. Invalid number. This space between is invalid number. So the string, so it's not a number. They are this one, they are the string. The tag string is cannot be the number, so it's none. Okay, make sure you understand. Come the first integer, so integer is the full number, so minus 10 is would be minus 10. Minus 10.33 is going to take minus 10 because it take the only the integer, not take the behind or the decimal. This integer number is take integer, so decimal is take only the integer. So it have too many words, so it will take the first number part in. This will take the 10. I think it will take the 10. This 10 year is take the 10, but year 10 because tag come first cannot part in, so it will be none. So make sure this one we have to change. So I can save. And this is 30. Sure, this should be 30 because it take the first number. Sorry. To C to V. First probe is mean take the base number or the smallest number. So it's 10.33 is will take 10.33. If you have 3 words, it will take the last number. It work the same pass in is same fast probe. So it's the number come first. You can we can take it the number, but is tag come first. It will be the none. Now we're going to see C to V. The number dot max value, min value, and positive infinity, negative infinity, and none. So I console log and not save. In our JavaScript, the max number will be this value. This is will be the smallest value, min, and this is infinity, negative infinity, and none. So it will be this number. It's not very important of this one for the knowledge only. To see to V. Now save this one because we cannot. One we assign is one we cannot. We didn't assign Stephen for a number, so this is string cannot divide. Number cannot divide that by the string. So when we log, it will be the none. The same thing when we directly log is also cannot work, so it will be the result will be the none. Two of them. To console, so it's both of them is none. Okay, alright. Make sure you understand this. For the understanding number,